Tape Inc. nagsalita na itinanggi ang akusasyon tungkol sa pag-hack nila sa YouTube channel na EB. Itinanggi ng kampo ng Television and Production Exponents, Tape Inc., ang mga akusasyon ng abogado ni Tito Sotto, Vic Sotto, at Joey De Leon na hi-hack nila ang YouTube channel ng Eat Bulaga para makakuha ng access dito. Sa isang pahayag, sinabi ni Attorney Maggie Abraham Garduque na walang dahilan para i-hack nila ang Eat Bulaga YouTube channel na mayroong 5M subscribers. Ayon sa kanila, empleyado ng Tape ang may-ari ng channel kaya hiniling na lamang nila sa YouTube na i-recover ito. Bukod doon, ang bank account na konektado sa YouTube channel ay pagmamay-ari din ng Tape. Tape did not hack the account. Tape will never do such a thing. Thus, it is not liable for cybercrime. Being the owner of the account, Tape was able to coordinate with YouTube to change the email and the password and the new contact person in behalf of the company, pagpupunto ni Attorney Garduque. Dagdag pa niya, the person who made the account was an employee of Tape when she made the account and she made the YouTube account in behalf of Tape Inc. Tape Inc. is ready to show the official receipts from YouTube stating that it is the one which spent to create the account. The bank account linked to the YouTube account is likewise owned by Tape Inc.